Starting keto doesn't mean surviving only on bacon, butter, and steak. A well-balanced ketogenic lifestyle should include vegetables because they provide essential nutrients, minerals, and fiber without kicking you out of ketosis. The right low-carb veggies help fuel the body, feed healthy gut bacteria, and make meals more satisfying. Here are 7 of the best vegetables you can enjoy on keto. 1. Asparagus. One of the most keto-friendly vegetables. Asparagus is extremely low in carbs, rich in vitamins and minerals, and loaded with prebiotic fiber to nourish good gut bacteria. 2. Cabbage. Versatile, filling, and full of sulfur compounds that support overall health. Cabbage is low-carb, inexpensive, and can be enjoyed raw, steamed, or stir-fried. 3. Broccoli. A true powerhouse. Along with vitamins and minerals, broccoli provides omega-3 fatty acids, which are rare in vegetables. It also contains antioxidants that support heart and brain health. 4. Kale. Nutrient-dense and low in carbs, kale is full of phytonutrients and antioxidants that boost immunity and protect against aging. 5. Celery. Crunchy, hydrating, and nearly calorie-free, celery makes an excellent keto snack while delivering minerals and antioxidants. 6. Cucumbers. Refreshing and light, cucumbers are loaded with hydration and nutrients while staying extremely low-carb. Perfect for salads or eaten raw. 7. Brussels sprouts. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, these mini cabbages also provide plant-based omega-3s. Roasted or sautéed, they're a delicious keto side dish. These low-carb vegetables prove that keto is not just about meat and fat. Adding them to daily meals supports energy, gut health, and long-term wellness, all while keeping the body in fat-burning mode.